Welcome to all of my viewers. This is the 5th episode of Media Pantry. Today's recipe is chocolate chip cookies. Here are all of the amounts of each ingredient needed for this recipe. With 180 grams of flour in a small bowl, add 3 grams of salt and 2 grams of baking soda, and mix all of that until it's well combined. Now toss in 1 stick of room temperature butter with a smiley face and 150 grams of sugar into a medium-sized bowl. Now mash the butter in with the sugar and cream it until it is all well combined and homogeneous. As you mix your ingredients throughout this process, also make sure to collect the ingredients on the side of the bowl. As you finish mixing, it should be light and fluffy in appearance. Now that you're done mixing, it is time to add 20 grams of molasses. And if you are using a volume measurement, make sure to scrape all of the molasses out of it. If you don't have or want to use molasses, you can use 50% white sugar and 50% brown sugar. So you will need 6 tablespoons of each kind of sugar in the recipe. After the addition of your molasses, just mix all of that up. And now add in your egg. Poke the yolk and mix it all until well combined. Your end result should look creamy and resemble peanut butter. Now add all of your dry ingredients into the bowl of wet ingredients. Mix all of those ingredients up until it starts to form a ball of dough. Do not fully mix in all of your flour. First, you will add in your chocolate chips. After you add in your chips, you will then finish mixing in the flour with your chocolate. This is a tip to prevent overmixing. And the amount of chocolate should be 60 grams. Now it should have all come together and your dough is completed. The recipe makes 6 to 8 big cookies, but it can also make 12 regular sized cookies. That means if you haven't already eaten the cookie dough, it should be 6 96 gram cookies, 8 71 gram cookies, or 12 47 gram cookies. After I measured the weight of my cookie dough on a scale, I made little rough balls with my hands and threw 3 on a tray. Once you put your cookie dough balls on a tray, put them in an oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. My cookies took 12. When you take your cookies out of the oven, the center shouldn't be fully cooked. It will finish cooking on the hot tray after it's been pulled out. That is what makes a cookie soft, gooey, and chewy. I finished by baking 3 more cookies and then I was all done. It did not take very long to make these at all. It will probably take you 30 minutes or less to make, and that is including bake time. Thanks to all of you who watched the whole video through. If it was helpful, please like and subscribe, and comment what I should make next.